my name's James, and my company's called Dent Repair Jax, and I fix small dents, dings, creases, hail damage on cars, mostly for individuals, but every Tuesday you can find me at George Moore Chevrolet. So what I do here is I show up and I walk around and look at all their used car inventory and make a list of everything with any kind of dent or ding or crease, and we fix them up and make their used car inventory look as good as possible. So what we have here is a 2018 Honda Pilot, and it's got 3 panels with dings on it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna fix these dings with a process called paintless dent removal, where I smooth the dent out without having to do any kind of painting, sanding, or anything like that. Basically restore the panel to its factory state. So first thing I'm gonna do is just clean it up. We have our ding right there. So it's just some spray wax, clean the door. Looks like there's a little scuff in there, so I'm gonna go ahead and buff that thing a little bit. I'm gonna put some compound on here. A little too much. Okay, that looks good. So it pretty much looks like we got everything out of that dent. A lot of times when a car door opens into another car door, it looks like it scratches it, but what it is just a scuff and what we call paint transfer. So we got that off with that wool buffing pad and some compound. Next step is we want to gain access to behind this panel so that we can push the dent out from behind. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a little wedge in this window between the glass and the panel, and I'm going to put this window protector in here. It's made out of steel, and so it's just going to make a barrier between my tool and that glass so that we don't damage it. And I'll put the wedge in there to give us a little bit of a gap to get our tool down there. This light is going to help me see everything I need to see in that dent and help me see where I'm pushing with my tool so that we can get that thing looking perfect. First tool I'm gonna try is always my go-to. It's my dent slayer with the ratcheting handle. Let's see, it should get me right where I need to be. Yep, we're right on it. So I'm just gonna slowly push the dent in the deepest part, working my way around the dent to bring it up to flat. She's gone. Now we're on to the next dent. Get everything off of here. Walk over to the other side of this car. I believe we have another small dent on the driver's door and then one on the quarter panel. So we have one right here on this door. I'm gonna set my light up right here. Put my window guard in. Wedge it. This time it does look like we have a couple chips of paint missing. So I'll fix these dings, and there is also someone who comes around and touches up these little spots on these vehicles. and her name's Marissa, and she'll come back and she'll touch up these spots and make them basically look like new again, just like I'm doing with the dents. So we're back with this same tool, but this dent is actually underneath a brace, so I can't access it with this tool. So I'm gonna need a different type of tool. I'm gonna use something like this. This is called a whale tail, and it's gonna slide between the brace and the door skin. This is what we use to fix dents in really tight areas. Boom. Just like that, she's smooth. Okay, now our final dent on this one, right here behind the gas cap, gas cover area, right here. So this spot, I really don't want to try to get behind that. So we're gonna use a special tool. A lot of these tools that I'm using are designed right here in Jacksonville, Florida, by Dent Slayer Tools. So this next tool, what we're gonna do is we'll start with cleaning this thing up with some 91% isopropyl alcohol. This is just gonna be a little bit different of a process. Get this area clean. Okay. And I'm gonna grab my umbrella and set that up real quick. Okay, so this is the tool we're gonna use for this one. This is called an AR9 automatic return slide hammer. This is by Dent Slayer Tools, designed in Jacksonville, Florida. So this process is called cold glue. So this is like a sticky substance we call cold glue. So I'm gonna press it into the panel. It's gonna stick to the dent, and then I'm gonna pull it out. And then this hammer is pretty cool because it comes back for you. Just helps you be faster with this. So I'm gonna put this thing on here, smash it into the dent, and then pull it out. Got some good movement. I'm just gonna do the same thing again. Looks good. Put my cover back on, and then clean this residue off from the cold glue. Again with the 91% isopropyl alcohol. Move my light back, and I can see that most of the dent is gone, but I'm gonna need to blend that down and re-pull it. Now I'm gonna switch my angle a little bit. Okay, now we're back with a much more shallow dent. We're gonna just repeat that process again. And I think one more round and we'll be done with that. I'm gonna clean it. Clean. And Yep, I think that's gonna be it. Yep, I think from here, we're just gonna blend that out with a blending hammer, and it's gonna be good. So this is called a blending hammer. It also designed right here in Jacksonville, Florida by Dent Tools, and it extends so I can get further away and increase my angle just to dial in these things. So I just have a tip on here that's just highly polished steel. And so I'm just gonna get back and start blending it. We're just smoothing out very minor flaws in the metal, just to perfect the texture and shape of the metal. Now I want to increase my angle again, just to get it perfect, and then I'm going to make my hammer longer so I can get further away. Beautiful. So that's what we do. Now, I'm just gonna clean all these panels off that I worked on and park this thing back on the front line, and hopefully somebody's gonna buy this soon and have a really nice Honda Pilot to take home.